Good morning and welcome to a new guide on using MODICIA O.S. Today we will see how 4 key combinations, all based on the control key, will allow you to optimize and speed up your workflow. Let's begin with the first combination. By pressing Ctrl plus Win, the total menu will appear. It is a full-screen menu that contains only the system's applications and utilities, shown with their original names. At the top, you will find a convenient search bar by name. This menu was created and written from scratch by the MODICIA O.S. team, specifically for MODICIA, and later released under the GPL license. Second combination, Ctrl plus Alt. This will display all open windows and applications on the desktop, arranged and fully visible. By clicking on any of them, you can bring it to the foreground in full screen or close those that are unnecessarily consuming resources. Third combination, Alt plus Spacebar. A cascading search menu will appear, allowing you to launch any application by searching for its original name, its translated name in your language, or its description. The search bar is designed to look through both the central applications menu and the local one. Fourth combination, Ctrl plus C. At the top of the desktop, a task manager will appear with detailed information about system usage, CPU, network, RAM, disks, and many other metrics that allow you to monitor system load, even when running heavy applications like Kdenlive. That's it. In less than 2 minutes, we have seen what some people do not notice or deliberately avoid showing in their 40-minute reviews, focused only on clickbait and icon colors. See you soon with MODICIA O.S, Professional Linux for professionals.